Okay, so now we're going to do our mice, our little pilgrim mice. All right, so we actually start with the feet. Okay, so we want to take some gray fondant, and again, you got some big feet. We just need 2 balls close in size. 1, 2, like that. Okay, take the ball, place it in your hand like this, V shape, open, roll back and forth, and get more of a teardrop shape. Okay, place that down. Take the other one, ball in the center of your hands, drop it down, V shape, back and forth. Okay, teardrop. Okay, flatten it a little, not all the way, flatten it a little. You want it to be, up, like kind of slanted like this. Then we'll take these and we'll place them right together, like that. Take a toothpick and go E, 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 and E. Okay, make the little toes. All right, the body. Body is a big cone or teardrop. So we'll take more of the fondant, roll it into a ball, and then open V, teardrop shape, pop it that way. Okay, now what we want to do is help support this, so we'll take some spaghetti, and we'll place it right down the center, snap it off about maybe a ½ inch above, and we are now ready to do the part of the shirt. Okay, so this is also red and brown, red fondant with a little bit of brown, but it has a little bit more brown to it than red, whereas see the chimney has a little bit more red in it. That's the difference between these two. If you wanted to, you could use the same color, or keep it more in the brown family. Totally up to you. Okay, so for this, the easiest way to do this is to take a ball and then again take it kind of into the teardrop shape and then start to flatten it. If it sticks to your hands, put some cornstarch on your hands. So what I want to do is kind of flatten this out and stretch it. It needs to go all the way around his body. So see how I put it on? Let me see if I can turn that like that, but I'm still stretching it. Because it needs to meet in the front. Okay, now this part where it's gotten a little high here, just pinch that part off around the spaghetti. You can use a circle cutter too, cut out a circle and place it over the top, but then you have to find the right circle cutter and blah, blah, blah. All right. Now the next thing are his sleeves and arms. We need 2 balls that are similar in size. Okay, roll it in your hands like this, and we want this end to be just a little bit thicker than this one. So that's going to be probably a good size. Take it and place it on here and let it come down. And at this point I take a toothpick here, hold on to this, and I pull this around the toothpick to create that little crease in the arm. Okay, and then just attach that kind of to the body like so. Then you can take this rounded tool or use the back of a paintbrush, and in here go ahead and push in and rotate this around, and that opens up his sleeve, and that's where you're going to stick his little hand. Okay, instead of doing it separate, it's 2 separate pieces. Yeah.